So now let's see one of the most important tools in SketchUp to have a 3D rendering. It is push-pull. Push and pull face entities to sculpt 3D models. Thanks to that, you will be able to create your 3D shape. So I'm going to draw a rectangle like this. I'm going to draw a circle like this. And I'm going to draw, for another example, a polygon like this. Oh, going to make this again because I wasn't on the right face. For example. And after, if I want to have my 3D rendering, I have to go on push-pull. I click on my entity. So whether this or this, I click on my entity and I can pull this like this. I can pull this and to create a 3D shape. Here and here. To obtain this rendering. So now with this tool, you have the possibility to tape the distance in the right here. So I use my tool, I select my shape and I pull. And here at distance I can tape, for example, 5 meters. And I have pulled this with 5 meters. Here I want to move this and to stretch with 15 meters. I tape 15 meters in the right, like this. So now you just need to know that if you use push-pull and you make this for the first shape, SketchUp is going to save your last action, and if you click double click on your mouse, you can make the same than here. For example, double click here and it is the same distance with these two shapes. Double click here and it's exactly the same. The aim of the double click is to earn a little time. And at the same time, we can draw another rectangle here, another rectangle here. I can use my tool push-pull and here and here. So this is all the interest of the tool push-pull.